I just got this lube for my printer. We're gonna actually add lube right here on the top of it, and also here on the side of the actual system. So we're gonna set this up today, and we're gonna see how well it works, because right now it is dry. This roller is dry, and I need to lubricate it just a little bit. So you gotta get that maintenance once in a while if you want to get fine print. So we're gonna set this up. All right, just be careful because this is a little liquidy. So just put a little dash, make a little tiny hole. You don't need too much, right? I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do right now. So once you get that much, run it a couple of times here. This should be enough for this, all right? But you hear that? It's dry over there. It is dry over here. So we're gonna actually add some more here. A little bit more lubrication. That should be good now. Make sure you get some of the little wheels here. Just a little bit, not too much. Let's see. Still a little grindy, but there. That's better. Now we're gonna add some on this bar here, on the twisted bar, going all the way down. So if I could get you guys there. Up on the top, because it goes down. I printed out this little thing here, and I like to go down slowly. We're done with it. I lubricated the side here, all right, the side rod. Now, don't get any of the plastics, all right? Don't lubricate these plastics, all right? This is not recommended. Just make sure you put the assembly line where this is going to be rotating, and that's going to be going up and down. So that's pretty much it. Now, this thing's going to last you for quite a while, because maintenance, I do it like at least once a month on everything. But shake it before you use it. Very liquidy, so be careful. Pop a little tiny hole, not too large, all right? So for the bamboo lab, it's going to be right here, and this part right here, right? So not too much, like I said. All right, make sure you turn it off just a little bit. Run it just a little bit here, like I am doing. That's enough, all right? And then you want to make sure you cycle this back and forward. Make sure it grabs on, all right? Unfortunately, I can't get the bottom, but I could get the top. Now, the best part is that we're reachable here. I'm gonna add a little bit more here, but I'm gonna have to bring it up and down, and I'm gonna have to change my directions here. There it is. We just added lubricant here on the top and the bottom. When you're done, go in here and raise it up and raise it down so you can make sure it lubricates completely. So this frame has been lubricated, and those metal rods have been lubricated.